Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play Monopoly Deal. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a deck of Monopoly Deal cards. You're going to start off by shuffling the cards in the deck, and then you're going to deal 5 cards to each player. Now, each player is going to keep their cards to themselves. They're not going to show their cards to others, the cards in their hand, that is. But for this purpose, for this demonstration purpose, we are just going to play face up so that we can sort of see how the game runs. So we're going to deal 5 cards to each player. We're going to imagine there are 4 players. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, you place the remainder of the cards face down in the middle, and this is going to be the draw pile. Now, every player is going to look at their cards. So I'm going to just place the cards like this on either end so we can sort of see what they would have. Now, like I said, you're going to look at your own cards and keep your cards to yourself, but we're just going to place them like this so you see what we would have if we were actually playing, okay? Very simple and straightforward. So your goal is to get 3 full property sets on the table in front of you. That's how you win, by getting 3 full property sets on the table in front of you, okay? So you're gonna go in a clockwise motion. The person to the left of the dealer is going to play first. At least that's according to my rules, how I play. I don't know if that's officially how to play, but that's how I play. So let's imagine that I was the dealer over here. The person to my left would play first. Now what you do is you draw 2 cards from the center. So 1, 2, okay? And you can play up to 3 cards in front of you. So you can play no cards, 1 card, 2 cards, or 3 cards. So basically there are 3 ways to play cards, okay? You can put money or action cards in your bank. So if you look at money, it has a set value, so $5 million, and 5 million Monopoly dollars, that is. And action cards, this is 1 million Monopoly dollars. So you can put either of these in your bank. Money would go straight into the bank. Action cards go straight into the bank as well, and they have the value on them that they're worth, of whatever they're worth. However, when you put an action card in the bank, you cannot use it for action anymore. So that's the first way to play. The second way is to actually take a property card like this. Now, your property cards tell you how many properties you need to complete the full set of the same color, obviously. You can play a property card down in front of you on the table, okay? And then it becomes in play. So it's no longer in your hand, it's then in play. The third way is to take an action card and place it in the discard pile over here, and then you do whatever's on that action card. So let's say this action card says draw 2 extra cards. If the person played this, that's what they would have to do. So this person drew 2 cards, and they need to play up to 3 cards. And you can't have more than 7 cards in your hand, okay? So let's just imagine that this person said, okay, they're not gonna do anything. So they're not gonna play any cards at all. It's this person's turn now. They're gonna draw 2 cards. Now what they're gonna do is they're gonna put $2 values in their bank. So I'm not sure if you can see this yet. So $2 values go in their bank. They put a 3 million and a 2 million. And then they're going to take this property card and they're going to play it in front of them, on the table in front of them. So they've played this card. Usually you'd have a much bigger space to play, right? This person's going to draw 2 cards. They're not going to do anything, let's say. And this person's going to draw 2 cards. And this person is going to play an action card. Okay, so play an action card, and then let's say that's all they want to do. They want to play the action card. So it says draw 2 extra cards. So they're going to draw 2 extra cards, okay? And now, if you count how many cards they have in their hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 cards in their hand, which is 1 too many cards. So what they would have to do is they would have to discard one of their cards. And it's up to them. They can choose, so they can discard. Let's say they're going to discard this one right here. Okay, no problem. So now they have 7, and we're good to continue going. This person would then draw 2 cards, and this right here is a property wild card. This is a key card because it can be used for any property. So you can see this card can be used as part of any property set. It has no monetary value. So this is a very important card. You never want to get rid of that. You only want to use it when the time is right. So let's say, for instance, that this person over here had to pay this person $5 million. They have to pay through the property through the property cards through any amount that they have. So they have to pay either through action cards in their bank or their property or money cards in their bank. So they have to pay through their bank or from the cards that are in front of them. And they can pay with money that they have stored in their bank. They can pay with an action card that they have stored in the bank, or they can pay with a property. So let's say this person had to pay, they might have to use this property to pay. And there's no change given. So if they had to pay $3 million and they only have a $4 million option, then they have to pay with the $4 million and no change is given, okay? And the way you win is you get 3 complete sets. So let's say I had, these and this in front of me. This would be 1 complete set. And I need 3 of those complete sets. If one player gets 3 of those complete sets, they win. Okay, it has nothing to do with the amount of money that they have or the action cards that they play. They just need 3 complete sets. If they get 3 complete sets, they win. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.